the end of this road, I would like you to turn left at the end of this road, please.
Oh, Jesus. Thank you.
I just want to quickly explain to you something. Now it's 50-50, but it's my responsibility to explain to you. So what happened there, we were approaching a T-junction, and I said you turn left. You did, everything was good, mirror signal on. That taxi driver comes so fast, and that made you jump. Human nature, perfectly fine. Your reaction was fine, not a problem at all. But you made a mistake because of that car. Now in your exam, chances are examiner will give you the fault and give you the serious fault for that one. Any idea what happened there?
I stopped.
For the car?
Yeah.
So you slow down, obviously you reacted. That's fine. Slow down is a natural reaction, which is fine. But we have got a car and a van parked over there.
Okay.
So what happened there?
Too close.
You went too close to the parked vehicles.
Okay.
So in that situation, what would you do?
Stop.
Either stop, let's see what he's doing. Or if you want to go, because the car's parked on the both sides and he definitely stopped for you, stay in the middle.
Okay.
A lot of people, they have got, this is one of the reason they overreact, and then they don't realize the imminent danger which is parking on your left. That car is not moving, isn't it?
No.
So you can now be in the middle and go. Make sure whatever you do, you have to maintain doors length width, and that is a mistake. I'm 50-50 because some examiners may say to you, no, she should know better. The car have now stopped, so why is she still driving too close? Why she didn't go a bit more to the in the middle?
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Any problem with that?